The simple act of writing can serve as a powerful connection between your inner desires and the external world. It's a practice that clarifies intentions, builds focus, and activates universal energy to help your dreams materialize. Let's look into the profound potential of putting pen to paper and how this can bring the seemingly impossible into your life. Writing isn't just a mundane activity. It's a deliberate act of creation that transforms intangible thoughts into concrete expressions. Every word you write carries energy and intention, setting the stage for manifestation. When you put your desires on paper, you focus your mind on the specifics of what you truly want. This clarity sharpens your awareness, making it easier for you to identify opportunities that align with your goals. Writing isn't just about recording your thoughts. It's about giving them direction and purpose. Furthermore, writing helps you align your subconscious mind with your conscious desires. The act of physically writing your goals imprints them more deeply into your psyche than merely thinking or speaking about them. This strengthens your belief in their possibility, which is essential for manifestation. Writing builds commitment. Once your goals are on paper, they feel more real and attainable. It's as if the act of writing down your dreams declares your intentions to the universe, inviting it to conspire in your favor. The benefits of writing as a manifestation tool are not just spiritual, they are grounded in science. Studies have shown that individuals who write down their goals are significantly more likely to achieve them compared to those who don't. This phenomenon can be attributed to the reticular activating system, RAS, in the brain, which filters information and focuses on what you consider important. By writing your goals, you prime your RAS to notice relevant opportunities, people, and resources that can help you achieve them. Writing also activates multiple regions of the brain simultaneously, including those responsible for processing emotions and problem solving. This creates a stronger connection to your goals, enabling you to think creatively about ways to achieve them. Research has shown that writing reduces stress and promotes mental clarity. By articulating your thoughts on paper, you unload mental clutter, leaving room for optimism and solution-oriented thinking, both of which are essential for manifestation. To make writing an effective manifestation practice, it's important to approach it with intention and consistency. Start by setting up a designated space for your writing, free from distractions. This dedicated environment enhances focus and makes the practice feel more purposeful. Begin each session with a moment of reflection. Take a few deep breaths and center your thoughts on what you want to achieve. Then write as if your desires have already come true. For instance, instead of saying, "I want financial freedom," write, "I am enjoying the freedom that comes with financial abundance." This approach shifts your mindset to one of receiving rather than longing. Focus on specificity. Vague intentions yield vague results. Instead of writing, "I want to be happy," describe what happiness looks like for you. Perhaps it's a fulfilling career, supportive relationships, or excellent health. Details give your intentions more weight and direction. Consistency is key. Dedicate a few minutes daily to this practice. Repetition reinforces your intentions, deepening their impact on both your subconscious mind and the universe. Affirmations are a powerful addition to any writing practice. These positive statements align your thoughts with your desired outcomes, creating a strong foundation for manifestation. When incorporating affirmations into your writing, focus on what you want to create, not what you want to avoid. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed," write, "I am calm, centered, and in control of my life." This keeps your energy focused on positive outcomes. Repetition is key to effective affirmations. Write them multiple times, letting each repetition deepen your belief in their truth. As you write, visualize the affirmations manifesting in your life. Feel the emotions associated with their fulfillment: joy, gratitude, peace. It's also helpful to customize your affirmations to reflect your unique desires. Generic affirmations can feel detached, but personalized ones resonate more deeply, amplifying their power to transform. One of the most compelling ways to experience the power of writing is through a short-term manifestation experiment. Start with a small, achievable intention, something you can realistically expect within a few days. For instance, you might write, "Within the next 2 days, I receive a message that makes me smile," or "I find a small but meaningful surprise today." The key is to make the intention specific and time-bound. After writing, release your attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe has heard your request and is working on delivering it. Avoid overthinking or doubting. This only creates resistance that can block your intention. When your intention manifests, take a moment to acknowledge it. Celebrate the synchronicity and let it strengthen your belief in the power of writing. This success will motivate you to set and achieve larger goals over time. Emotions play a critical role in manifestation, and writing can help you tap into this energy. As you write, focus not just on the words, but also on the emotions they evoke. For example, if you're writing about financial success, imagine the relief and joy of paying off debts, the excitement of achieving milestones, and the pride of creating stability for yourself and your loved ones. These feelings amplify the vibration of your intentions, making them more powerful. Writing also serves as a therapeutic outlet. It allows you to process and release negative emotions, creating space for positivity and abundance. This emotional cleansing is crucial for maintaining high energy levels that attract your desires. By consciously connecting with your emotions, you transform writing from a mechanical task into a deeply meaningful practice. This emotional depth enhances the effectiveness of your intentions and accelerates their manifestation. Gratitude is a cornerstone of successful manifestation, and writing offers a unique way to express it. When you incorporate gratitude into your practice, you shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, creating a mindset that attracts even more positivity. Start each writing session by listing things you're grateful for. So these could be as simple as a sunny day, or as profound as the support of loved ones. Writing about your gratitude not only reinforces positive emotions, but also raises your vibration, aligning you with the energy of abundance. Gratitude also helps build faith in the process. When you recognize the blessings you already have, it's easier to believe in the possibility of your intentions manifesting. This belief acts as a powerful magnet for attracting your desires. Gratitude sustains momentum. Manifestation isn't an overnight process, and maintaining a mindset of thankfulness keeps you engaged and optimistic, even when results take time. By making gratitude a regular part of your writing, you create a cycle of positivity that continually draws your dreams closer. Manifestation can sometimes feel stalled due to emotional or mental blocks, but writing provides an effective way to overcome them. When doubts or fears arise, use your journal as a space to confront and release them. Start by identifying the specific thoughts or beliefs that are holding you back. Write them down without judgment, acknowledging their presence. This act of acknowledgement is the first step toward releasing their power over you. Next, counter these limiting beliefs with positive affirmations. For instance, if you've written, "I'm afraid I'll never be successful," follow it up with, "I am capable of achieving all my goals, and success is my natural state." By rewriting the narrative, you begin to shift your mindset. Writing also helps you reframe challenges as opportunities. Reflect on past obstacles and how they contributed to your growth. This perspective shift not only dissolves fear, but also builds resilience, making it easier to stay committed to your manifestation journey. Combining writing with visual elements can amplify its effectiveness. Visual prompts like vision boards or sketches can give your written intentions more clarity and emotional weight. After writing your goals, spend a few moments visualizing them. Picture yourself experiencing the fulfillment of your intentions, where you are, what you're doing, and how you're feeling. Writing paired with visualization creates a multisensory experience that strengthens your connection to your desires. You can also enhance your writing by adding creative elements. For example, include doodles, colors, or even collaged images in your journal. These visual cues help anchor your focus, keeping your intentions fresh in your mind. Another powerful method is to create written affirmations based on your vision board. If your board features a dream home, write affirmations like, "I am living in a space that brings me joy and peace." Seed. This incorporation of writing and visuals builds a coherent, energized pathway to manifestation. The final and perhaps most important step in written manifestation is to trust the process. Writing sets your intentions in motion, but the universe works on its own timeline. Cultivating patience is key to maintaining faith and focus. Remind yourself that delays don't mean denial. Often what feels like waiting is actually preparation. The universe might be aligning circumstances or providing lessons you need to fully receive your desires. Writing about your trust in the process can reinforce this mindset, helping you stay optimistic. Release attachment to specific outcomes. Instead of demanding a rigid result, write about the essence of what you want to experience: peace, joy, freedom, and allow the universe to deliver it in the best possible way. Celebrate small manifestations along the way. Each one serves as evidence that your practice is working, reinforcing your belief and keeping you inspired. Trusting the universe isn't about surrendering effort. It's about balancing action with faith. The act of writing connects your intentions with the limitless potential of the universe. Through clarity, focus, and emotional alignment, this practice transforms your dreams into reality. By staying consistent and open, you allow the universe to work its magic in unexpected and beautiful ways. If this perspective resonates with you, consider liking and subscribing for more empowering insights to help you manifest your best life. Together, let's continue exploring ways to unlock the abundance that's waiting for you.